Alright everyone, today we're going to be doing a cabin tour of room 7236 on the Carnival Sunshine. That's coming up right after this. So when you get to your room, they will have inside your door area your sailing sign card, which will be in envelopes. You open it, and then it works just like a regular hotel room key. When you enter the room, immediately to your right, you have a row of cabinets with a safe and life jackets at the bottom. There's a little symbol up there for life jackets. Next to that, there's a hanging clothes closet area. And another hanging clothes closet area with a little shelf up above. And on the back of the door, you have your safety passenger information. And if you turn to your left, is the door that goes to the bathroom. Light switch for the bathroom and the room, both right there. You have the sink, 4 shelves, the towel bar. You have the shower area with the clothesline that hangs across. It is a little loud the first time you flush the toilet and not expecting it. Come on into the room. Right here, here's your thermostat. Control the temperature up or down. You can also have a spot to put your room card key to help control the air. We have this cabin set for 3 people. So the couch is let down into a bed currently, but it will let up into a couch. And then we have it set up as 2 twin beds. Then you have the balcony out there, which we'll go to in a minute. The TV. There are 2 plugs that plug in behind the TV, so one for the TV and one extra. And you have your mirror. There's another switch here to light the lighted mirror up. There's a small 2-drawer cabinet down below the TV. Next to that, you have your mini fridge. Then there's 3 drawers right next to that. Hair dryer is in the top drawer. And you have 2 other drawers for storage. Then the phone is here, and above the phone there are 2 more 120 plugs. And then there is 2 shelves up there. There's only one 230 volt plug, and that's controlling the refrigerator. Now we will head, there's a nightstand here in between the 2 beds for more storage space. You have a light switch at the top of the bed that controls the lights in the room. The balcony pushes open. And then you have 2 chairs and an end table. And that's the cabin tour for room 7236. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified of all of our future content.